Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Dollar Tree DIY for Christmas. For this DIY we're going to be using this pack of 12 felt Christmas tree ornaments, they're calling them, and these 3 felt Christmas trees. They just call these Christmas decor. You could hang these on the wall and decorate them. You could use them for placemats, but we're going to do something different with them. So stay tuned and see what we do. Okay everybody, this is a different filming area for me. This is my little Cricut station, sort of, so I'll give you a quick little tour of it. Okay, so right here is my pressing area with my easy press and my pressing mat and my Cricut over in the corner. And all my Cricut tools, the little rack is from Dollar Tree, and I have it hanging up there with all my little picks and everything on it. And then in the corner I have a letter rack that's got my mats in it. And then a table right here with all my vinyl and HTV iron-on adhesive. So that's my little Cricut studio. But right now we're going to be using the Easy Press. And if you don't have an Easy Press, which is just like a home heat press, you can use an iron. But I had the heat press out and it does work really well. So we're going to use that. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, I got my my Easy Press heating up, so we're just going to cut the tags off these Christmas trees. And I got 3. You could probably do this with 2. You could do it with more. It just depends on how full you want your tree to be. We're going to take our felt Christmas tree. All we're going to do is we're going to fold it over. Line up our branches. Kind of hold it down. If you got something, I'll put my scissors right there. And we're going to pay special attention to getting our star folded right in half. Okay, and you don't have to have an Easy Press to do this. You could do it with an iron. I just have the Easy Press and I like to use it so I can justify having it. And I have a Teflon sheet that I'm putting over it just because I don't want to burn the felt. You don't have to have a Teflon sheet if you have a piece of parchment paper or cardstock, anything like that. So all we're going to do is put our press down on top of it, and we're just going to get a nice crease in that tree. And this Easy Press is really nice. It has a timer on it. You can set the timer and it's going to count down. And Cricut on their website has a guide with how long you should iron different items. And I'm just checking because I don't know about this felt, really what temperature it should be on or how long to iron it. So I just want to make sure that I'm not burning it. So I'm taking a look. Might need a little more crease at the top there. So we're gonna okay, and we're just going to do that to all 3 of our big trees. Then we're going to do the same thing with our little trees. Okay, so we've got our 3 trees, and all we're going to do is take some hot glue, and we're going to pay special attention to gluing the star at the top. So we're going to just take, while it's still folded, and line up the stars and get that glued just like that. Then we're going to take it and open it. We'll take this one, and then we're going to glue it here. And then we're going to flip this one open and glue it here. Then we'll go back and hit the points of our branches. Alright, got that all nice and glued, and then we have a nice 3-dimensional stand-in Christmas tree. Anyway, we'll look at that more when we get our little one finished. Okay, so then we're going to do the same thing with our little trees. We're just going to take them, and these you don't have to, you can do these all at one time. You don't have to do the star and then the tips and then the trunk. We're going to do these all at one time. So we're just going to put glue on the points, and then we're going to line them up. And then we're going to do the other 2. Okay, then we're just going to open that one up. We're going to do these 4 points over here. You just need a drop of glue. Lay it down. Hold it a second. And then we can flip it over and do these last 2. And this one you may have to pick it up and kind of fold it a little bit to get all your edges to meet. have your standing Christmas tree. So if it doesn't want to stand, this one doesn't want to stand as good, so you could just take the bottom and give it a trim, and then I've got these little wooden rounds. You could glue it to that, and then we have these stems from wooden stems from Dollar Tree. We might use some of those. So let me grab my scissors and we'll get this finished. Okay, when you finish your little Christmas tree, if it won't stand up good, because I don't think I lined up the bottom ones exactly right, but all you gotta do is take your scissors and trim across the bottom. And kind of straighten it up, and then it'll stand up on its own. Or you can take one of these stems from the Dollar Tree. I don't want one that's too tall. Let's see. Find a kind of a short one. So I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to take my tree right here, and I'm going to trim the stem all the way off. Okay. And then right here in the center, I'm going to put some glue. You don't need a whole lot. And then I'm going to take one of my stems and I'm just going to glue it right there, and we're just going to hold it for a second till it dries. Okay. And then I have this little round of wood. I think I got these off of Amazon, like 12 for, I don't know, a few dollars. If I can find the link, I'll post it. You don't have to use this. You could get the little fatter chunks of wood and use as a base, but I'm just going to glue him on there. And you can make you a whole forest of little trees. And I think he would be so cute. The little tree is so cute with my little gnome. So I made a little display right there. But anyway, that's my DIY. Okay, so that was my little stand-in felt Christmas tree, and I think it goes really well with my little gnome, so he can have a little forest. I might make some more to go with him. And then we have our taller Christmas tree, so I'll zoom out and you can see my gnome standing in his little forest. But anyway, get out there, get some supplies from the Dollar Tree and make some crafts, y'all, and have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye!